These type of creative shorts videos are getting millions and millions of views, and this can be a great opportunity for you to grow your social media profiles. In this video we will show you how you can also create this type of videos in a very simple way, that too completely free. So the first step is to generate detailed prompt. For this we will use ChatGPT. Simply go to the ChatGPT and enter a simple prompt like write a detailed prompt to generate a hybrid picture of kangaroo and horse, and simply copy the prompt. Next step is go to leonardo.ai and you can sign up for free. Once logged in, we can see this type of interface. So the first thing which we will do is to set the canvas size. Click on image dimensions and select the Instagram size or any other options which you need. Now we will paste our prompt and simply click on generate. To earn free credit, simply log in with new Gmail ID and then you will have a new credit points. It will take few seconds to generate the image. Once the image is generated, download the best image which you like. Before we move ahead, we need one more prompt to generate the above image, but separately. Again go to ChatGPT, simply write, now generate a prompt to create a picture of kangaroo and a horse in one scene but separately. This will give you a picture side by side of the both of the animals. Simply copy the prompt and again we will paste the prompt in leonardo.ai and we will get the image, and you can just simply download and save it. Moving to the further steps, that is we will add the motions to the static image to make the video more engaging. For this, search AI video generator or you can find the link in the description of this video. When you open the site, you will see this screen. Select from image options and in prompt simply type add motions and upload your image. Based on the server load, and it will take time or it may fail also, so just retry again. Okay, so once it is processed, you can see really cool video is generated, and save this video. Okay, now moving to the final and the most important steps, that is editing, adding transitions and the music effects. First find a viral music, download the audio file. Now open any video editor, add the clips and music, check the music tone and beats, place the transitions at proper place and finally export it. So finally your viral video is ready to post. I hope you really like this video and see you in the next video guys. Bye bye.